Mahjong is a fun four-player game where players try to form melds with tiles to score points. The goal of the game is to get the highest score by creating a Mahjong, which is 4 melds and a pair. A meld is a set of 3 matching tiles, Pong meld, 4 matching tiles, Kong meld, or 3 consecutive numbers in the same suit, Chow meld. There are 3 suits, bamboos, or sticks, characters, and dots. The tiles within the suits are numbered 1 through 9. There are also 4 wind tiles, 3 dragon tiles, 4 flower tiles, and 4 season tiles. To start the game, mix all 144 tiles together face down, then divide them evenly among the players. Each player makes a wall in front of them with their 36 tiles by stacking one row of 18 tiles on another row of 18 tiles. Then, everyone pushes their rows together to form a square. Each player picks up 13 tiles from the row on their side. Next, each player rolls 2 dice, and the highest number goes first. On a player's turn, they start by drawing a new tile from their row. If they draw a tile that makes a meld with the other tiles in their hand, they can call it out and lay the tiles in the meld face down in front of them. After a player draws a tile and plays any melds they have, they discard a tile from their hand by placing it face up in the middle of the square. Finally, they draw a new tile from their row to end their turn, and the player to their left goes next. At any point in the game, any player can pick up a tile from the middle of the square to make a meld, whether it's their turn or not. Players can also pick up a pair with the wind, dragon, flower, or season tiles. Each time a player claims a tile to make a meld or pair, they must announce it out loud before picking up the tile and setting it face up in front of them. The game is over when one player has created a Mahjong, or 4 melds and a pair of matching tiles. When a player scores a Mahjong, they reveal their 4 melds and the pair. Only the winning Mahjong is scored. When scoring a winning Mahjong, any melds made with tiles from the center of the square are considered exposed, and any melds made using just the tiles in the player's hand are considered concealed. Concealed melds are worth more points. An exposed Pong is worth 2 points. An exposed Kong is worth 8 points. And an exposed Chow is worth 0 points. A concealed Pong is worth 4 points. A concealed Kong is worth 16 points. And a concealed Chow is worth 0 points. A pair of winds or dragons is worth 2 points. And 4 flowers are worth 4 points. Any other pairs are worth 0 points. After you score the winning Mahjong, shuffle the winning tiles and play another round. Play 4 rounds in total. The player with the highest score after 4 rounds wins the game.